Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing this Eurostar Gents bike, and I'm going to be honest, I've got a bit of a soft spot for it, so let's have a look. Okay, so what do you get? So you get a lug frame set, steel, it's a classic bike. You get under the top tube you get mounts for a pump. You get this really lovely fork crown. You get an attached chain guard with rack and mudguard mounts. Same on the forks, you've got specific mudguard mounts. You've also got a dynamo hanger. This is lovely, really lovely. Okay, let's look at the components. So you get these rubber grips, you get chrome handlebars, here we go. You get a steel stem, you get alloy brake levers, you get a 3-speed Sturmey Archer shifter, you get this classic bell that I love the swept back of the handlebars. You get the dynamo, you get 28-inch wheels, they're steel, and they're also got friction grooves on them. You get rubber pedals, you get 3-speed chain set and rear hub. This one comes with this original basket, get rack, mud guards, the seat is the original. Wow, I love it. It's got that real sort of cafe racer look to it. Let's just stand it up so you can see what I mean. Better it don't stay though. There we go. It's got a real sort of cafe racer look to it. I think it's lovely. So the build is amazing on it as well because it's lugged. Means it's a really clean looking frame. It's got really thrown real big rake on the forks with really shallow angle on the front, and the handlebars coming back. This thing's so comfortable to ride. You also got the light on the front. The look of it I adore, and I mean I adore it. It's just lovely. Really is a lovely looking bike. Would I buy one? Yeah. Without a second's hesitation. You're getting a classic bike. It's from probably the 60s, I think. Maybe 70s, late 60s. And it looks cool. It is cool. Really comfortable to ride. Yeah. Amazing bike. Absolutely amazing bike. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and we'll see you in the next one.